Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford EcoSport exhaust smell inside the car and provides a general overview of situations where exhaust-related odors may be noticed within the cabin during driving or while the vehicle is stationary. An exhaust smell inside the car is described here as the presence of unusual fumes or odors that originate outside the cabin but are perceived inside the vehicle. This explanation remains general because exhaust system design, sealing, ventilation behavior, and operating conditions can vary by model year, engine type, mileage, and maintenance history, and the issue may not apply to every Ford EcoSport. In reviewed technical and service-related information, exhaust smells inside the cabin are treated as a condition that requires inspection rather than a single confirmed fault. In some cases, odor presence may change depending on vehicle speed, airflow, engine load, or ventilation settings. Older generations may experience different exhaust-related patterns due to wear over time, while newer models could still show similar concerns depending on usage, environmental exposure, or prior repairs. The presence of an exhaust smell does not automatically identify a specific component and is typically evaluated through inspection. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. From a general guidance perspective, exhaust smell concerns are usually assessed through system checks rather than assumptions. Some situations may involve inspecting exhaust routing, seals, or ventilation pathways, while other cases may require further evaluation if a verified condition is identified. Driving habits and operating environment can also influence when odors are noticeable. In conclusion, an exhaust smell inside the Ford EcoSport can have different explanations depending on vehicle generation, condition, and usage. Understanding that these situations are not identical across all vehicles helps ensure accurate evaluation and appropriate next steps. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.